12 Investigates has obtained 3 911 calls made after 2 different crashes in Davie County. Charging documents show a sergeant with the sheriff's office is accused of committing both and driving while impaired. Kara Peters has our report.
People are stuck in their cars. There's 2 cars involved and they're both off to the side of the road.
911 callers describe a chaotic scene last Tuesday night after a driver who investigators identified as Hannah Whittington hit multiple vehicles. According to Highway Patrol, the first accident happened on Route 158 near Milling Road when Whittington's truck went left of center and crashed into another pickup truck.
They hit me right in my driver's side door. My wife and my son was in the car and we're out. The airbags deployed.
Highway Patrol says Whittington drove away after hitting that truck, driving on Route 158, then driving left of center again.
Somebody just hit me pretty much head on. I tried to avoid them, but they were in my lane and I was in the right lane.
This time crashing into another pickup truck. The driver reporting they were unable to get out of their vehicle.
My truck's smoking. I can barely breathe in here. I need to get out of here. I don't know how hurt I am. I'm obviously good enough to be able to talk, but I'm hurting. That car ran off of the road on Milling Road and almost ran into a building. So I don't know if it was a drunk driver or what.
According to court documents, the arresting officers described Whittington as having glassy red eyes, slurred speech, and difficulty following instructions. She took a breathalyzer test and blew .33, 4 times the legal limit.
And that was Kara Peters reporting. Whittington is charged with impaired driving, driving left of center, and hit and run. The sheriff's office says she is suspended pending an internal review. Scott Harkey, a Winston-Salem defense attorney, says when someone is arrested, they're typically taken to jail where they're booked, photographed, and then they go before a magistrate who sets the conditions of their release. But in some cases, especially when someone is injured, as Whittington was, he says people can be charged at the hospital and not actually have their photo taken.
I would urge the public to, approach it with caution, but certainly there are questions to be asked and whether she received any sort of treatment outside of the treatment that a general member of the public would receive is certainly a valid question. But, let's let the process play out.
Harkey adds Whittington is innocent until proven guilty. He believes the Davie County District Attorney's Office will treat her by the book. We have asked authorities why she was not booked at the jail, and we are still waiting to hear back.